Hello and welcome back to a new video here in the Trading Forward channel. Today we are going to explain Public.com. It's a US company in which you can trade everything and you can invest in different type of assets that are available in the United States. As I said here, you can invest in stocks, in ETF, in crypto, in alternative assets, and you have everything in one platform. They incorporate something new or rare that is called luxury goods and contemporary art. This is related with NFTs and so on, and they're going to introduce real estate, music royalties in the future. This is a well-regulated broker-dealer in the United States, so it's related by the SEC and the FINRA, and you are protected by the insurance in the United States, so you are protected up to $500,000 in securities and $250,000 in cash. No payment order flow. What it means? Another type of broker, for example Robinhood or Webull, use what is called order flow. Order flow is a way in which companies make money, because when you place an order, the order doesn't go straight away to the market. They sell the order to a market maker and they make a small amount of money in that process. In a common market, doesn't change a lot if you use order flow or not. But some weird things happens. Last year, regarding GameStop stocks, some investors lose money because there is a conflict of interest. So in this case, Public.com, they don't use payment for order flow. So in an investor perspective, it's more secure to use this type of broker. This is something that surprised me. You have a lot of fundamental analysis, alternatives, in order to understand a bit more what you're investing in. For example, you can have data related stocks, cryptos, and ETF. You can take a deeper look at the companies you are investing, and you can access, for example, the ESG score, the revenue segmentation, detailed reports from top financial and crypto experts. And there are some tools, for example, automated dividend reinvestment. So you can invest each time you receive a dividend, you invest again in the market. You will have instant transfers. Each time you deposit, you will have the money to invest in real time. And also you have the possibility to introduce what is called a recurring investment. For example, you can automate your strategy by investing weekly, monthly in a specific asset. This is called DCA strategy, dollar cost average strategy, in order to buy always the same asset, no matter what price it has, in order to accumulate for the long term. As I explained before, you can have a bit more of a context if you understand what's going on in the stocks or in the asset that you are wanting to invest in. For example, if you have the premium account in Public.com, you will have advanced metrics. For example, taking a specific example, Tesla, you will have how many vehicles were delivered divided by type of model, for example, Model S, Model X, Model 3, Model Y. In this way, you are going to understand if they are performing better or worse than before. They focus a lot in security and they protect personal information. As I explained before, it's a fully regulated broker-dealer in the United States. This is important because you are protected by the insurance that FINRA gives you and the SIPC. About Public.com, they say we work for you, not trading firms. This is about the payment order flow that I explained before that generates conflict of interest in another competitors like Robinhood or Webull, and they are backed by heavy investors like Acel and Greycroft. Which stocks are available to invest in? You have the full list in here. The list is quite long. You can search which type of asset do you want to invest in. You can also have the full list of ETF. There are more than 25 cryptos available in the platform to choose between. The most important ones are like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Avalanche, Solana, Litecoin, Polygon are available to invest, all in the same platform. This is new for a broker regulated in the United States. You can invest in fine art, collectibles, NFTs, so you can diversify if you like this type of asset. For example, they create small shares, a small fraction of this type of assets. So if you want to invest in trading cards or NFTs, you can invest in an easy way. You can buy and sell in the same platform. If you want to go one step further, you can subscribe to the public premium. You are going to pay only $10 per month and you are going to unlock advanced data, unique market metrics and insights. As I explained before, you can see how many iPhones were sold by Apple. You can understand basic metrics as gross margin, operating margin, profit margin, to understand a bit more about the fundamentals of the stocks that you are trying to invest. You can explore more about ETF insights, receiving guidance about current price, fair value, and target prices that could be useful for an investor to understand if a stock or an asset is undervalued or overvalued. And also you can get VIP customer support, who are going to be answered in a faster way. Which are the fees that you are going to pay using this broker? The good news is you are not going to pay any fees or commission to execute an order, so you're not paying anything at all when you buy or sell US listed stocks and ETF during regular market hours. But how public.com makes money? That's a question that we always have to understand before investing or using any type of platform, because if the platform doesn't make any money at all, there is not a sustainable type of business in the long term. So if you look further in this list, you understand that, for example, they charge you, if you want to use extended hours or after market hours, they're going to pay a really small fee related to SEC regulatory fee or trading activity fee, but the amount of money that you are going to pay is really small. You can see in here. And for example, they make money while you trade on crypto. The commissions and the fees are quite high in comparison with other alternatives. In my opinion, it's not useful to trade crypto in this platform, but could be an alternative if you want to have everything in one platform. In here you have the commission related with alternative assets, as explained before. You're not going to pay anything if you want to make bank transfers to your account. That's good because it's free to deposit and withdraw money from your account. If you decide to subscribe to the premium account, you're going to pay $10 per month. So here you have the full list. To sum up, for most of the common transactions, it's all free to buy and sell ETF and stocks in the United States. So I think it's quite useful. This platform, they also have another alternatives and another service in order for them to make money. And in here also you have a post to understand how they make money. They introduce what is called tipping. So if you want to help them to make their business model profitable, each time you place a trade, you have the possibility to give a tip for them, because they are not charging anything and they are not using even order flow. So it's a really new way in order to make money, apart from the other ways that I explained before. So in here you can read everything that explain what is tipping and so on. Remember to leave a comment if you have any doubt, to subscribe, to share, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.